Here's our North Fishing Pier day use area rules. No camping within this recreation area. Do have a high quality restroom, some good built out infrastructure, and straight down this well paved road is the North Shore Fishing Pier. Spectacular views of Haystack Reservoir. And I gotta say, a particularly high quality spot to capture the morning Central Oregon sunrise. Worth noting there's a very high quality little day use picnic spot right here underneath this juniper. Nice picnic table. Ooh, and you got rocks this way. Be advised to be very careful on this. This is not a area you want children to play. As you can see down there, a fall could be a serious injury or even fatal. But if you're sure-footed and safety conscious, you can absolutely come out to here, take a look. Beautiful Haystack Reservoir. As you can see, it is partially frozen. This is the flowing side, and this is the more frozen side. Oh, this is beautiful. As we continue along, head back to our picnic table. See, here's our North Shore Fishing Pier. I'm going to give you a panorama of the North Shore Fishing Pier, Haystack Reservoir. Multiple points of viewing the incredible Haystack Reservoir. You can see today is January 21st, 2025. It is partially frozen. See, here's our demarcation line. And of course, we have this absolutely beautiful, classic, quintessential Central Oregon sunrise. This, my friend, is truly spectacular. A little bit of a cove here between the rocks. We will leave the North Shore Fishing Pier infrastructure, very well built out. This is the Crooked National Grassland and affiliated with Ochoco National Forest. Some really high quality infrastructure. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. The world-class Haystack Reservoir. Truly beautiful, my friend. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. That is world-class legend. Can I interest you in a wonderland zone, my friend? Look at this. This is crazy. This is the North Shore Fishing Pier, Haystack Reservoir, Ochoco National Forest, Crooked National Grassland. And look at how beautiful this is. Look at this, my friend. This is absolutely spectacular. You got the frozen Haystack Reservoir, and you've got the beautiful salmon sunrise, quintessential morning sunrise here in Central Oregon. Got the flow of part of the reservoir, and the rest is a frozen sheet of ice. I certainly wouldn't walk across that. I think you would break right through, my friend. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. It's a pink salmon, orange marmalade. Absolutely beautiful. This is legend, my friend. I'm really glad I stopped to capture this. This is truly special.